everybody, Whiskers the Fish here. Hope you're having a great day. And today we are doing a room and setup tour. I will have a little note at the end of this video, but without any time to waste, let's get right into it. So, here's a very quick overview of my room. I do have the windows open, so you can get a little bit better lighting in here. They are usually not open. I have a light and another light over here. So let's start. This is my setup, my main desk here. It's a little bit cluttered with stuff right now, but I do have a lot of stuff and not very much room. I have a Microsoft keyboard and mouse set with a mouse pad, a wireless charger. I have a little dock thing over there to charge all my stuff and plug everything in. Got this nice little clock. I have a DVD ROM player over here because my computer, which is right down there with a USB extender because I need more ports, is an HP, as you can see. It's all the way down there and I don't want to have to reach every time, so I just do that. Have some Beats EP headphones right there. A Dell sound system with a subwoofer right there. Here's my monitor, which is also HP. I have a Windows 10 computer, so Xbox controller right there, Amazon Echo Dot, and a Apple Watch and charger for it. By the way, even though that does kind of look like car keys, that's actually the remote for my tripod, which is right here. This is my new UB size tripod, TR60BK. That's the exact model, which comes with a phone connector thing here as well. Let's go over to my second desk, kind of, where I do my video editing. This is my faster HP laptop with a HP Bluetooth mouse. Can you tell I like HP yet? Which is also on Windows 10, as you saw the recent video from. Some random stuff on here. I edit my videos on this computer because it's much faster than the one that's over there behind my chair. And I can just upload straight from here as well. Now I do have an Xbox One, just the original Xbox One, works fine. Got a couple stickers on there. A newer Xbox controller, because my other one was slightly broken. I have a TV remote for this TV right here, which is connected to the Xbox with HDMI. I also connect this little speaker here to the TV because I would rather have sound blasting to me than into the curtain over here. That's another tripod that I don't use, and a guitar. Over here, here's my, what I like to call electronics bag. It has a ton of electronics. There's a Microsoft mouse here. There's my AirPods, chargers for my computers. This part right here is where I actually keep my computers. It has several slots. I also keep my iPad in there. It does have a handle because there are wheels on the bottom that you could probably not see. Over here it's a little bit of a mess, but here's where most of my stuff is. You can see there's some pictures. A Proton 320, which if you didn't know is a very high-end radio clock from the 80s. That sounds pretty nice as well. Over here I have a ton of discs. I have my Premiere Elements and Adobe, as well as a couple other games and movies. On top, I like to call that my Apple shelf. There's some of my Apple devices there. iPhone 4, iPhone 8, watch, AirPods. There's my camera box up there. Some random stuff. I do like cars, as you can probably tell. A lot of Hot Wheels cars here. And more cars down there. Over there, down there, there's some books and random stuff. Here's my camera, my HC V180 that I keep in this nice little bag. Have some boots and gloves on there so when it gets cold, as well as some more chargers. And in here, there's lots more electronics. There's the tablet I did a review on the other video. Oh, it's pretty heavy. By the way, that box is not very heavy. It's only about 3 pounds. I was just being weak. And here is all my camera equipment, which is underneath 2 emergency ponchos. Have my recording lights, chargers for my camera, different mounts, all stuff like that. So, that is pretty much it. That is my room. You can see there's a mirror right here. That is actually my closet, along with some YouTube stuff up there. You can see I used this top part here to make my profile picture on YouTube. That was from the 2,000 view celebration video. Now, I'm not going to wrap up the video just yet. There are a couple things I'd like to address. I will put some pictures on the screen right about now of the recent video that I had, which has done extremely well. It has got like 35 views and still counting in under a day. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for doing that because that means a lot. Now, just to let you know, subscribing is free. And if you do subscribe, you have the chance to hit that little bell next to that subscribe button. Now, if you click that, every time I post a video or post anything on YouTube, you will get a notification. So you always stay ahead of everyone else that's not subscribed. And yes, not all of my viewers are subscribed. Only about, I think, 20 or 30% are subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, go hit that subscribe button, and I will see you later. Bye. One final thing. If we can get to 50 subscribers by May 1st, I'll make a huge celebration video. So let's see if we can reach our goal.